we're back. So we're back with another video. Gonna recap my trade for today. This should be a pretty short video. Today was a good trading day, man. I really ain't got too many complaints. Let's get right to it. So the day started right around here at 9:30. I was up a little bit early. I was watching the market from 9:20. I saw that we were setting up this kind of like pattern here. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. See if we can see it a little bit clearer. Okay. So obviously none of this price action had happened yet. Market opened around here on this candle. So I saw that we had a little bit of resistance going on here. We had some support. Went ahead and drew those lines out. And my idea coming into this trade was either we reject this area. Let me get that drawing tool out. So my idea was that either we come up here and reject this area, which I would then take some sales to come back in here, right? Which clearly didn't happen. So once I saw that we had this candle break above, and mind you, yesterday news dropped that with the whole Iran and United States peace deal. So yesterday was the weekend, so we kind of had some good news from the weekend. I was suspecting that the markets could pump to the upside, which is what they did. So once this pattern here formed, again, we had this resistance here, we had this support here. You see, we're kind of making higher lows here. And once we had this candle break above this resistance, it piqued my interest for buys. So I got in on this candle in here. My first entry, I got in with one contract, and I was only risking, I got in somewhere around in here. I was risking 15 points, 15 and a half points, which was on one contract, it was like $21 or something like that. Let me see. Yeah, it was like $21 to $30. I got stopped out pretty quick, but I like how we were rejecting this area. Like, this was 9:30 market open, so there was quite a bit of volatility, but I felt like it was controlled volatility. And I had a clear, I was very clear on where my stop loss would be. It would be at this breakout area here. I wanted to see us just push up. So once I got stopped out on that one contract, the price came back up in here again. It looked pretty strong, so I went ahead and got in with 4 contracts, and I took profit like maybe somewhere right here. It was like a 3-to-1, so it was like right here, somewhere around this general area. I started to take my profit, and as you can see, the market took off. So I definitely took a small piece of the pie. And I think part of the reason why is I'm so close to passing this evaluation. Like, I'm literally within $200 of passing this evaluation. And I think I was a little bit nervous on holding my position, just knowing that I'm so close. I'm like just literally a trade away, but I'm trying not to think like that. I don't want to get in my head. I want to just place the trades how I've been doing. I see it, I take it. So yeah, today was a good trading day. Price really went up. I mean, if there's one critique I can give myself for today, is I should have left a runner. Period. I should have left a runner. I had 4 contracts in right here. I could have peeled off 3 and then kept the 1, moved to break even, and just rolled that out. Just to, have a little critique of my day to day. But today was well executed on my part. I was in and out the market. I mean, this took what? Not even 5 minutes, barely even 5 minutes, and I was done for the day. So this was a pretty good trade. Now going into tomorrow, knowing that I have such a low amount to make to pass this evaluation, definitely just trying not to get in my own head. Since I've been with Topstep, this would be if I were to pass, this would only be the second time, since the last time I passed an evaluation was in 2025, around like September, August, or something like that. Within a week, I lost that account. So, just wanna trade correctly. Just wanna, don't switch up what I'm doing because I'm getting so close. I just want to continue doing what I've been doing to get to this point. Basically, what I've been doing is just trading support and resistance. That's it. Just finding, if it's in a range, finding the resistance, support. If we're in an uptrend, finding support. If we're in a downtrend, finding resistance, and just trading. Super simple. That's what's been working for me right now. I'm just gonna continue that way. I'm just trusting what I'm seeing with my eyes, and I'm also paying attention to news a lot more lately. Like, I've always paid attention to news, like going on Forex Factory and looking to see what type of, making sure we don't have any red folders, nothing that can really impact the market. But I think just kind of, paying attention to the what's going on. A lot of news has been dropping, so paying attention to that and just incorporating all of that into my trading I've really seen an improvement. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to place some trades, and hopefully we pass tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow you'll be seeing a thumbnail that says evaluation passed. So it's been a journey. It's been a while since I've been back to this point. I'm excited, nervous, but just want to continue doing what I've been doing to get to this point. So, super quick recap video. Nothing too much to go too in depth about. Yeah.